Welcome to the Nordic Campers YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing some ice fishing and we're going to be exploring this lighthouse right here. And this time I'm actually going to catch some fish. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. I'm driving towards another lake and today I'm going to be exploring a lighthouse and I'm going to be doing some ice fishing. Last time I had no luck with the fish, but today I'm better prepared. My boots are still soaking wet and I'm trying to get them dry, so that's why I have my work boots on. I have a couple of those feet warmer bags with me just in case. Anyways, see you guys on the lake. I just got on the lake. And as you can see, I'm better prepared this time. It's a bit foggy, but the lighthouse should be somewhere that way. But I think I will keep heading that way and I will find it eventually. Yeah, this is my setup, my backpack as usual, and all of my filming equipment at the same time. This ice feels a lot more safer because there's a lot of footprints here and there's many people on the ice. I'm not sure if I'm just blind or is it too foggy, because I can't see the lighthouse yet. I might actually see it now. It looks super small because it's so far in the horizon, but I'm pretty sure I see it now. Not sure if the camera can pick it up, but there's a guy ice fishing and a little bit to the right should be the lighthouse. Is there any possibility of catching fish if I just drill a hole right now in the dead center of this lake? I'm not sure how fish behave, but in my mind there's absolutely no reason for any fish to be in the dead center of the lake unless there's something interesting at the bottom. My work boots are holding up nice so far, but the real test is after like 2 hours in the cold. There's some kind of a vehicle on the ice. I'm starting to get a bit hot, so maybe I should sit down for a while and try some ice fishing. But I'm in the middle of the lake, so I saw some guy online talking about that. If there are any buoys or any of those kind of poles in the middle of the lake, that might be like an attraction spot for fish. So I think I'll try that out. I'll go next to that yellow pole and sit there for like maybe 5-10 minutes, give it a shot. The ice seems super thick. I was drilling all the way until you couldn't see any drill. That's when it went through the ice. So that's like 40 centimeters thick. You can drive a car on here. And look what I brought this time. Some actual worms. So a couple of new things today. First, I bought this lure. It's a bit squishy, kind of soft, and it has loads of these hooks in it. And I bought these little quick release mechanisms so I don't have to cut the line every time I want to switch baits. And today I'll be also trying these little maggots. I'm gonna put loads of these on the hooks and give it a shot. What I saw from online, these are fly maggots, so I guess they would evolve the common house flies, but unfortunately they're gonna be my bait today. I hope this is enough. Let's give it a shot. Nothing is happening, so I'm gonna switch spots now. I'm gonna walk a little bit closer to the lighthouse and I'm gonna find a new spot there. No action. I'm so determined to catch a fish today, because the last time I was fishing for so long and I fell through the ice and I didn't catch anything. But today I'm a bit wiser and I might even go ask for some advice. There's a lot of ice fishers here. Hey, that machine earlier in the video might have been for ice skaters, plowing the snow from the top of the ice so they could have a clean surface to ice skate on. I think that's what it is. The lighthouse is getting closer. I can see a lot of people going towards the lighthouse. It might be a quite popular spot here. I guess we'll figure it out soon. So the plan is to grab some coffee and then do some ice fishing around the lighthouse. Because in my unprofessional opinion, there's loads of rocks and little places for the fish to hide near the lighthouse. So that would be a good place to try ice fishing. But let's see about that very soon. I'm one of those rare people that never took on the skill of ice skating. This would be awesome. A long track headed straight towards the lighthouse. Oh, I think this might be the spot. Yes! So I'm not sure what worked, but something definitely worked. My first fish. Can someone tell me what this is? Near the lighthouse was actually that spot. Okay, I'm not gonna tease this guy for much longer. I'm gonna let him go now. So this seemed like a good lure. And that little fish ate all the bait, so I'm gonna put some new maggots on here. I'm so clumsy with this. A new bait full of maggots. Let's go. They fell off. Damn, I was speaking on my phone. The second catch of the day. It's not a big one, but what was this called? I think it was called a perch. I want to get you off the hook. He was a strong biter. I guess I would need some pliers. Yes, I got it out. I got the hook out. Yes. Yeah, this is a small perch and I guess it has loads of eggs here. And I'm so sorry it took me so long to get that hook off him, but I'm gonna let him go now. Please, I hope he didn't die. Come on. Come on. Okay, he might get a little warmer now. Come on, little fella. Go on. Oh, yes. Success. Okay, lesson learned. I'm gonna bring some pliers the next time. Something nibbled on it. Oh, I could feel it again. There's definitely someone nibbling on the line. Whoa. Why would the ice make such a noise? And another perch. Ah, isn't it beautiful? People usually eat these perches. They're pretty okay. And hey, what would you say? I think I'm becoming quite of an expert at this. Second spot today, and I just keep catching this. Well, it's kind of a similar size, so it could be the same one, but I'm gonna let him go now. I bought a couple of foot warmers. I've never tried them, so now that I have these bad shoes on, I think I'm gonna try them for the first time. So those little bags should start generating some heat after like 5 or 10 minutes. I'll keep you updated.
Paljonko tässä oli jäätä? Hyvä voi olla.
No, menikö heti kysyä, että nappaa mihinkään jäädään tänne Karille on.
Niin.
Someone could say that is a bit frozen. The first time the lighthouse showed any light was in 1906. And I'm pretty sure it didn't have a solar panel back then. If I would have to guess, I would say that no one has been in the lighthouse this winter. It's frozen solid. Yeah, let's continue ice fishing. So the last spot was really shallow, and this spot is a lot deeper, so I might be able to catch something here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go a bit closer to the original spot I was at. That seems to be the place all the fish are.
No.
Joo.
Tää.
Joo. Joo.
Yeah, those two guys had a cool camera that they could put underwater and see what the bottom of the lake looks like. They got some good material when that depth was like half a meter or up to 3 meters, but after 3 meters it's just pitch black. You can't see anything. Because this spot where I'm now is about 10 meters deep and we couldn't see anything there. But let's see if I can catch some fish here. No luck here, and it's starting to get pretty late soon and I've got a long walk ahead of me, so I'm gonna pack my stuff and I'm gonna start heading back where I came from. Remember those foot warmers I put on maybe an hour or two ago? They did absolutely nothing. Maybe it's my fault. Maybe I didn't do everything according to the instructions, but I think I did. But if I would have to rate them now, I would give it like a 0 out of 5. Absolutely worthless. 10 or 15 minutes of walking and I'm gonna be warm again. Ice skating lane is pretty wide. You can fit at least 2 people side by side here. It's gonna get dark in about an hour, but there's a small island right there. I'm gonna try to catch one more fish. There's like 6 holes here already. Someone's had the same idea. Yeah, I'm gonna go on this side of the island. Yeah, in Finland you're not supposed to make open fires, but those guys had an open fire on top of ice. Yeah, I guess that's okay. So that was an awesome trip. We were actually able to catch some fish, and we got to explore that lighthouse that shed light to this tiny little city for the first time in 1906. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys on the next video.